Hi, second grade. This is your spelling test. Remember to put your first and last name at the top of your test. Remember to type all your letters lowercase while you spell your word. If you need more time to spell a word, you may pause the video and play the video when you're ready for your next word. Remember to type all the words next to the correct letter. Let's begin. Number 1. Milk. Sue drank a glass of milk. Milk. Number 2. Neck. A giraffe has a long neck. Neck. Number 3. Ask. You may ask a question. Ask. Number 4. Snake. A snake moves in the grass. Snake. Number 5. Truck. May drives a blue truck. Truck. Number 6. Kick. Kick the soccer ball. Kick. Number 7. Smoke. Smoke rose from the fire. Smoke. Number 8. Rock. Ed found a shiny rock. Rock. Number 9. Desk. The teacher sat at his desk. Desk. Number 10. Black. The sky is black at night. Black. Number 11. Lake. We saw a boat on the lake. Lake. Number 12. Trick. The dog learned a new trick. Trick. Number 13. Dish. My cat has a food dish. Dish. Number 14. White. Jen is wearing a white shirt. White. Number 15. Such. We had such fun at the party. Such. Number 16. Flash. We saw a flash of light. Flash. Number 17. Pocket. I have coins in my pocket. Pocket. Number 18. Whiskers. A seal has long whiskers. Whiskers.